Master Madness. Number one, we're gonna have a shred sesh. Check. Number two, want to reinforce everything. I don't think it's strong enough. When it drops back down, we'll make it stronger. Number three, I'm gonna do the finishing touches. Put in the fuel tank, battery, passenger seat, if someone wants to ride with me. Four, we're gonna rip it. I wanna drive this thing, see what happens. I'm gonna start and just get right into it. I wanna reinforce these bars to make it a little bit stronger on impact if it comes back down when we hit the brakes. So I got some stronger DOM tubing, bit thicker wall. Hopefully that works. And while I do that, Brad's gonna start doing the finishing touches like the fuel cell and the battery and stuff like that. We're gonna try and meet in the middle and then go for a ride. And we'll just trade off and see who gets to drive crazy caster cart stuff. It's gonna be amazing. What you doing?
Gonna make a piece right here, off of here, and then I'm gonna make ears right here and right
to
here.
hold the battery?
Yeah, so the battery just doesn't, and then I'm gonna take...
Do we need that tray?
Well, yeah, because I wanna put the lid back on it in case gas splashes.
So you wanna raise that then so it doesn't hit the tray, or just cut it out?
No, I'm raising, yeah, I'm gonna take the plasma, cut it off, and make a bigger, larger one, because I've been dealing with little ones for a while, and I think if I might as well go big, you know?
Back with the sideways cat like Fresh Prince. Look at it. All right, we're hyped. Let's do it.
Back to the Volvo caster. We are now making things secure, safe, and hopefully doesn't kill Dan.
Well, you're gonna be riding. Whoa, time out. You are gonna be riding too.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
sure.
I will kill you.
Never. Anyways, my dad's race car was like this, and I've seen a few other cars. It's just so brutally easy to mount this style fuel pump. It's like a canister style fuel pump, very universal and easy to change out. So basically you just run a bar with a piece of steel and you strap it on, and that's gonna strap on there. The ease is that when you have to change it, it's so easy to pull a hose clamp on both sides and boom, your fuel pump's out and you're ready to go. In doing this, put your fuel pump where it's easy to get to.
Are you gonna ride in this thing?
Ride what?
Riding that.
They let me. Oh no, this thing looks pretty sturdy.
It's like a catapult, I think.
Catapult.
Dude. Like you just hang on.
You like that, huh?
Respect.
Thank you. You know what I'm saying? The spirit of the rattlesnake runs wild through my veins. In a good way.
Little update. I made some of these bars here, a little more structure, welded them on. So it's gonna be a little bit tougher until we get suspension. Remaking some of this stuff to make it go a little bit more smoothly. We want a better fulcrum to make it easier to lift up. And I'll get started on that now while we get our fuel cell in. We put these bad boys on to guard it just a bit, so just for a hit in the side if that's possible, which it is totally possible. Brad's tying up the fuel cell, which is much more legit than it was before. Battery's tied down. I think it's ready to go. I'm ready to rip it. Passenger seat's in. I wanted to make more of a bash bar, but we ran out of tubing. And actually, this would be a really good skate instrument when I've joined these two together.
Bad Daddy's giving her a trucker knot.
Trucker knot.
Hey, tell us about that trucker knot, Bad
What's
Daddy.
the old trucker knot?
Trucker knot's when you put a loop in the back of it, you go around your permanent structure, go through the loop, and use it as a cinch point. And then you tighten it down.
Brad's a good mother trucker. I want you guys to appreciate what Brad and I have done, so we're gonna cut to some beauties of this thing so you can see close up what has happened and why this thing's so crazy and why we're all excited. So, enjoy.
Redneck.
So yesterday we didn't have enough time to actually test it. It's a new day. We're gonna test it. Brad, is it all ready?
Yes.
Is ready?
Oh yes. it's not gonna work.
Oh yeah, you need to turn the fuel on.
Send it.
Drive forward. Hi, Deke. I think we just need to send it.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! When I pull this up, yeah. You go for it. Ready?
That's how you fuck up Brad right there. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Ridiculous!
Send it, Zach. I mean, I'm supposed to be in
Oh. Hey, there's a coolant. Look at those tire marks. That's insane.
Oh my god, dude. I have a headache.
Yeah?
We have a blown hose clamp. Bad, ancient hose clamp.
What's that problem? You wanna wrap it with me? I'll do it with you.
Really?
I swear to God. That's a wrap!